Welcome to Lesson 6. In Lesson 6, we're going to start taking a look at animations. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you're going to watch this section on animations in Solid Professor. So you'll click on this, it'll take you to Solid Professor. You want to download the zip file and follow along with it. So it's going to show you, with each video, you'll have an assignment. You want to open up the files for that assignment, and then you'll follow along to learn how to do animations. So this is a really fun section because you get to actually start making stuff move and create little movies and stuff. The next section we're going to, there's broken up into 4 others. You got 3 other section of videos and then 1 more for your assignments. So when you go into section 1 here, what you're going to do is you're going to download these parts, okay, and then with those parts there, you're going to use it to follow along with these videos. So you'll basically click on this video here. It'll take you in and you'll watch the video. It'll walk you step by step, so you want to follow along how to do that. And then you go to the next one. With each one, you may want to start it over, start a new one, just get out and then start a brand new one. And then you'll learn how to add a motor. So these are all 3 different ones, but you can use the same one here. So if you want to save as on this one, you can. And then the last one, or this next one, will show you how to add transparency, so you can turn stuff so it goes clear in your animations, and then also how to save your animations. Okay, now these videos are going to show you how to do it, and then the last one, what you're going to do is you're going to create a motion study that incorporates a motor with a start and stop action, changing viewing angles, which means you're going to rotate the views around, and then you're going to make one of the gears go transparent and create an AVI animation to submit for grading. So basically you're going to take kind of what you did in each one of these and put it together in one animation, and it doesn't have to be very long, and then you'll drop it in there and I'll show you how to do that. Alright, then we go back into the second part of this. So we'll go back to lessons for a second here. And we go over here under create simple animations. On this one, what you're going to do is you're going to follow along with this video and you're going to use this zip file. So the video actually, let me mute that for a second. So the video actually is a little bit different than what the parts I've given you, but you can do it exactly the same thing. Okay, so it works exactly the same way. So it's going to learn how to create a simple animation, but instead of using this, you're going to open up the assembly file for this plate assembly here. So you'll just open it up and then you can use it. Okay, once you've created it, then you're going to create you a simple AVI file or animation, and then you're going to turn it in right here. Okay, this next one you're going to use an assembly file, so you're going to create a brand new assembly, and then we're going to get into a little bit on the using the toolbox. So you'll watch this video, and then here you can download this stuff. So it's going to show you how to use an assembly file to create parts, and you can add stuff to it, and then you'll save that video and then turn it in here. And then the next section, you'll come down here to cameras and animations, and so on this one you're going to follow along with this. So you're going to learn how to animate a part. You're going to start using your MP3 player we created in the first lesson. So you'll open it up and you'll kind of follow along with this. It should be exactly the same thing you would do with this, so you can see how it works. And then you'll turn it in here, and then we're going to do a walkthrough tutorial. So by this point you should have created the bridge and wagon, so we're going to use the bridge for this one. So these aren't going to be exactly what's inside the video, but you can use the same process for these. So same thing with this, the MP3 player is not going to match this video. So once it opens up, you can see the video there. And actually this is, you have to log into Solid Professor, but you'll use the same concept with it. Turn it in there, same thing on your bridge. You'll use this to create your little walkthrough video for your bridge, and you'll just turn it in here. And then that'll complete the actual projects as far as the little simple animations and stuff. And once you see how to do it, it's really pretty easy. And the last thing we're going to do is we're going to create us a hitch mount video, a Lego car video, and a wagon video. Okay, so on this you're going to have a number of things you're going to do. First of all, you're going to create an animation of your hitch. You're going to make it have a rotation, an explode, and a collapse. And you're going to do that on all 3 of these. And so once you've got it, you're going to create you an animation that shows how to rotate it, explode it, and then collapse it back on each one of these. Once you've got those saved, then you can turn those in here. So just like everything else, if you have any questions, be sure to contact me as soon as possible. That way we can work through any kind of issues or questions you may have. Good luck.